Alright, so what we're going to do is a what's in the box. This is the Terminator EFI. This is the most complete, almost the most complete thing you can buy. And this one is the part number 550612. This is for the LS2 and LS3. This is not the Terminator that'll run you $1,000 or whatever it is they're charging for the cheaper units. What I will tell you is that this unit is the most awesome standalone system you can buy. But I guarantee you, and I promise you, you're going to be disappointed with what I have to say. So let's do an unboxing here. So we're going to put this in when you get it. Get this undone. So here's what you get in the box. Extend your warranty today. And all your warnings. You need to read this. Then you're going to get your computer, and you're going to get your LCD screen. Have the chip on the side. Feels really good too. Doesn't feel cheap at all. So that's what's in your box. The rest is on the bottom, and it's all your accessories that hook up into this. So let's get that started. Alright, so I'll start pulling this stuff out piece by piece. For one, we already know that this is our LCD display. Now what makes this thing so perfect, it's got a ton of input outputs. As you can see, I literally meant a ton. This is the most expensive unit you can buy from Holley as the Terminator. This unit actually runs you $3,081.95. Did I say that right? $3,091.85 just for what's in the box. Let me keep going here. Alright, then you get trash. Inside of a box. Alright. You get your power cable. It's very well manufactured. It's very well made. There's absolutely zero complaint with the way this is built. Very, very good. You get mounting screws. And you got your full harness. I'm going to put that to the side real quick. So you get your accessory cables, like if you want to use extra sensors, if you want to use odometer gauges. Probably have to buy another one of these. Yeah, this is what you get. You get your Terminator LS fuel injection system booklet. There's all your part numbers, and it is filled with a wealth of information. I mean a wealth of information. If it leaves you feeling stupid, you've probably been drinking, because it's too easy to use. Too easy. I'm going to get a can extension harness. Quality pieces also. I can't see Holley's selling you junk anyway. And then you have an oxygen sensor in the bag. You have a grommet that I'm sure goes through your firewall. You get connectors. You get an O2 bung. And that's going to be your O2 sensor inside the bag. You get a LS map adapter. I'm not going to open it. It's still sealed in the bag. But I'm assuming it's just an adapter in case you have a different style map. And you get your can adapter harness. You get your stylus pen. Come on. I'm pretty sure these are your injectors. Yep, they sure are. This is going to be your injectors for both sides. Very quality done, very professionally done. I shouldn't even have to keep repeating that. This stuff, for the money, is hands down just awesome quality. Period. Can't really say anything else about it. So this is for your injectors. It comes in the box with the price paid. So you get your little accessories that I showed you, your injectors, your computer, your harness, and your power cable. That's everything you get in the box. And you get some stickers. I'm not going to completely pull this apart. Professionally done, very clean. Good connectors, nothing cheap here. You got your relays, your fuses. Once again, you get all your connectors. Everything's done perfectly. And then I haven't read what these are for, but I'm sure it's in the manual. So that's what you get. Everything you just seen right there, that's going to cost you $3,081.95. That is the basic just to get started. It doesn't come with everything you need. That's the ridiculous part. Where are the pieces at? Okay, so here's the part that you don't know. I'm going to start over again. Once again, just for all this that you see here, that I just showed you, is $3,081.95 just for this. This will work fine if you have a T56 transmission and throttle body, cable driven throttle body. Cable driven throttle body No automatic transmission. That's just for this, okay? So, the part that's going to piss you off that they don't tell you is that you're going to need come on. There you go. You're going to need sensors. And guess what? You could use up to 2 to 3 to 4 of these. Okay? One cost $133.95 for one. $133.95. You could need up to 4. You could need up to more. But just keep that in mind, okay? That's outside the cost that you just spent for the Terminator. There's another one. Yeah, 2 of them gets really expensive. And then, well gosh, you're gonna run a drive-by wire. You've got to buy that separately. Yes, you heard that right. You have to buy it separately. And guess what it costs? $170.95. $170.95 outside of the $3,000 you just spent. Okay? Yeah, the numbers are adding up. But oh gosh, you're running a turbo, or you're running supercharged, pro-charged, nitrous. You're running an automatic transmission. Oh crap. Guess what? 558405 4L60 4L80 trans harness? Yeah, that's separate. Completely separate. $191.95 on top of that $3,000 you just spent. $191.95. Ridiculous. So let's just kind of put all this together. Oh, wait a minute. Let's say you want to use your laptop on top of your car, or on the hood, anywhere where you're doing your own tuning, okay? What's going to happen is you have to buy a 7-foot cable. Alright? That's $39 bucks. $39 bucks just to buy a cable so you can connect it to your computer and into your laptop. Plugs in right here. Bam. Alright, so you get all of that done. Now you have everything you need right there to build your supercharged, nitrous, pro-charged, turbo, fuel injected, whatever you're doing. Okay? You have all that right there. So what's going to happen is all this extra accessories you just bought, which is going to come out to $3,081. It's going to come out to $191. Actually, these are $53, not $37. These are 53 bucks. Okay. Your drive-by wire, $170.95. All right. You put all that together, comes out to $3,632 bucks. Yeah. $3,632 bucks. But you know what? Forgot about these. Let's just say the 2 of these. Just the 2 of these added to that is $3,900 bucks. You already at $3,900 bucks with this control kit. I think you can use your factory ECM, your harness. People are doing it all the time. Supercharged, pro-charge, turbo, whatever you're using, you can get a PSI conversions harness complete for $1,300, and you can run a turbocharged nitrous. You can run anything you want because people are doing it all day long. Once again, this is a superior kit, but for the price, it's almost untouchable. If we're already at $3,900, what happens when you need more than these? You're going to be $4,000 plus just for your Terminator kit, which is outrageous. I think it's outrageous. It's ridiculous. But you know, I can see if you're running an $80,000 car with a $30,000 motor, you'd probably want to put something like this on it. But if you're street racing, street driving, I don't think you need it. $3,900 just for what you see right here, and all the parts they don't add. And you'll still need some other stuff on top of this. Don't get me wrong. You will still need more stuff on top of what you have now. So that gives you an idea of what all's involved, what all you have to get extra, and how bad it hurts. Because boy, is it expensive. And they don't tell you any of the extra stuff you're going to need. If I would have known you needed a drive-by-wire, and if you needed the solenoids, you needed the transmission controller, not the controller but the wiring harness, just that alone, almost 200 bucks. It's crazy. It's just all to add up. And this isn't a rant. I'm just letting you guys know that when you buy it, expect to buy everything else outside of that, because it's not a complete kit. Absolutely not a complete kit. But other than that, it's a superior kit. It's a badass kit. It's everything you're going to want, but you're going to have to spend the money. You're going to have to spend the money to get everything you see right here. It's going to be $4,000 plus. All right, guys. Thanks. Have a great day.